Here's an additional item that often needs to be done on a project. So you'll see here that I've got a building pad elevation of 6.5, and I've made a topo surface all around that. Um, but my floor needs to be above the building pad by at least 6 inches. So let's take a look and see what that means. That means my floor plan level should be not at 6.5, but about 6 inches above that. So that would be 7 feet. My floor plan level should be at 7 feet. Now, where do you see those levels? If you go to an elevation view, and I'll take east, I can see my floor plan is at 6.6. So that means my floor would be right even with the ground. And usually it is at least 6 inches higher. So I want to change this. And so I'm going to click on it and click again. And I'm going to change that 6 foot 6 inches to 7 foot. And now my roof needs to go up 6 inches also because I need 8 feet from the floor. So that has to go up to 15 feet. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Now my floor will be put at the right place. My roof will be put at the right place. And everything will be working out. So this is really critical that you understand that these levels are all counting from somewhere, and they have to match up across the whole project. And they do in Revit. That's good. So my baseline means it's the very lowest point in my project. It's where I'm going to count all of my elevations from. I'm going to measure up and down from there. My floor plan, I want it to be, just in this case, and I'm making it up, 6 inches higher than my building pad. Depends on your floor design. Say the architect might come in and do a totally different type of floor and need to move the floor plan up from the building pad even more. But for our simple version, this is going to be enough. And then, of course, my roof should sit 8 feet above the floor. So there we go. There's a last little bit about plan levels.